Being a member of the British Commonwealth of Nations, Jamaica has had many attorneys that are internationally acclaimed. These are attorneys like Norman Manley, Dudley Thompson, P.J. Patterson, and many more. But not all attorneys have the same spirit to serve, and it may become necessary to report one or verify one before hiring in order to protect your hard earned cash. Now, when hiring an attorney in Jamaica, it is highly recommended that you check with the general legal counsel to actually verify, see if that attorney is actually been disciplined for any particular reason, are suspended, or perhaps sanctioned or disbarred. If also you need to file a report for some sort of misconduct dealing with you, it is the appropriate channel that you go through the General Legal Counsel. Now, the General Legal Counsel, this method is advisable, particularly if you live abroad and you need to retain an attorney there in Jamaica. Now, the General Legal Counsel is very efficient in how it deals with disciplining or following up on any complaints that you may have regarding an attorney. Now, to better serve you, I would suggest that you actually visit the General Counsel website, look at the different services it affords you. It gives you a wide range. You can always look up an attorney if you think they might be a little unscrupulous or they're a little shady, and you just want to double check in order to secure your own position. All right. The General Legal Counsel, their address, by the way, is at 78 Harbor Street in Kingston. Their telephone number is 876 for the international code 922-2319, or 876 967 1528. Now, their email address, I'll put everything in my description box below, but their email address is secretary at generallegalcounsel.org. Their website is www.generallegalcounsel.org. Again, I am highly recommending that if you choose to hire or retain an attorney in Jamaica while abroad, this is one of the safest method. No method is perfect, but this is the safest method I know of to actually check, to verify, or to report any kind of misconduct that occurred. Okay. If you like what you heard, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob.